Well, Carolee's here, right? That's fun. Look at her.
Here I am.
Check this food though. Beef braised noodle, and then what do you get? Like 2 bao buns? Yeah, I like it. We're back at the bridge. Look at that. That was the bridge. We're gonna go see the World Trade Center now. And then there's an old Catholic church right there. Stop in there, World Trade Center food. Everything you hope for?
Boring. It's just a normal glass building. Where's the money?
Chicken quesadilla from Salt and Pepper. Let's give it a taste. The quesadilla was good. The chicken was like real chicken. Peppers were solid, but the cheese, I wish there was more cheese. It's not as much, and you don't really taste it, so 7.7 out of 10. Anything else you wanted to do?
Sister. I'm here visiting just to see around New York. I play college lacrosse at University of Rhode Island.
Scrapped. We're gonna go continue walk along the water. It's nice out here. It's currently 8 o'clock. We're gonna go to the river again and just watch the sunset. We're gonna take the city bike there because I don't think we'll make it. It's already late, so let's go. We got ice cream on the way home. I got the hazelnut rockiest road.
Dulce de leche. I forgot the rest of it. I forgot the rest of it. Oh, graham cracker. That's what it was. Dulce de leche, graham cracker.
$9, 2 scoops. Let's see what's up with that. 9.3 out of 10. Hazelnut Rocky Road.
Is it better than the Van Leeuwen's or whatever?
No, Van Leeuwen's is way better. Van Leeuwen's is so much better. I guarantee you that.
It tastes like caramelly, which is what I was hoping for, so maybe I'll try the Van Leeuwen's tomorrow and see if I like it better.
That's it for today. Tomorrow we got Washington Square. Hope you guys stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow. I forgot to tell him I wanted the omelet, so it's just pastrami on bread.
I would say A is like, I'd recommend this to a friend. If someone's in town, I'm like, hey, you should check out this spot. And I'm thinking B is like, I'll eat it again, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend it to someone else. And then C is like, if it's there, like I'll eat it, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to get it or like tell people to go there. And F is just like, I would never go back there again. And it was trash.
Yeah, so new ranking system. Rather than out of 10, we're going A, B, C, D, E, F. But I'm gonna rank my garlic pastrami bagel an A. Just like an A, right? Like that's how I go.
Grade A. I'll give mine an A too. Like I would eat it again.
The thing with New York is that there's too many things to do, so we're not sure what to do, but we're gonna get on with it, right? Like kayak country.
I saw a video, I saw a TikTok on that, and all the comments were saying like, you're gonna turn into a teenage mutant ninja turtle if you fall in the water. They said it's disgusting out there.
Like mutant babies.
Yeah, so they said don't go in there. They said to not do that. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little tired. Join us on a coffee run.
I can't breathe.
Hey, Rabbit. Are you feeling a little tired? I know that's so weird.
Yeah. I'm so tired.
Join us on a coffee run.
Let's go.
That's so dumb.
There's so many people in here too.
And also the music like stops. Transition.
Yeah.
Drinking.
Wow. Too many choices. Too many. Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Sick. Cannolis. We got 2 cannolis.
I don't have much to compare it to though. But like it's good. Why do you feel like you put on your side?
Yeah, it is really good. I'd give it like a low B. This thing's not as crispy as you'd like it to be, but the filling is really soft and smooth, so that's really good. But the crisp part, like this part, maybe if I got it this morning it would have been better, but low B for me. Times Square, baby. Anything?
It's too much. It smells really bad here. My nose hurts.
It also is really scary. There's like too much going on. I don't know what's happening.
Naked women over there.
Yeah.
I like naked.
$32 combo box, lobster roll, chips, and a choice of soup. I got Manhattan clam chowder, right? 36 bucks, 32 bucks. Like that's just a little too out of my price range. Sometimes it just hits you that you live once and that if you really want something, you know money will come back and you'll just do it. So that's what I did right there. So let's hope it's good. Lobster roll, 32 bucks. Let's hope it's good. Got celery. I don't even know what else. What would a C be?
If it's there, like it's there, you'd get it, but you wouldn't like go out of your way.
I'm low-key giving it a C. Like the lobster's like a little fresh, but like not really. But maybe it's because it's like late, right?
Maybe, yeah.
But still.
What about the soup?
The soup though, I'll give an A. The soup I will give an A. The tomato Manhattan based soup. That's good stuff. This low-key is C, and I'm kind of blown because this is really expensive.
That was really
But I gave it chips, so we'll move on. What is that?
Grilled salmon. This is bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat. And there's supposed to be kale in here. And there's chickpeas.
Oh, nice. That looks good. It's very healthy.
Healthy.
Yeah.
I don't know where the kale is. For $60, I wouldn't get it again. But it's good.
So
healthy.
what would you rank it?
Like a C? Like a B. Like it's good. It's just so expensive. There's like no portions.
Well, this is not, it's pretty mid, I'm not gonna lie. But at least she enjoys her food. And I got tomato soup. See ya. See you later.